Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating LV feeder protection with voltage, current, temperature monitoring system as well as alerting through isolating the transformer by using relay and audible alerts on the LCD. So this main purpose of this project is the LV feeder nothing but low voltage feeders transformers. So whenever the load is heavy or voltage increasing, decreasing or any temperature increments, then we are going to isolate the load from the transformer by using this electromagnetic relay. So initially the main inputs to the microcontroller are this board like voltage, current and the LM35 is a temperature sensor V interface. These three parameters will be continuously monitored by the PIC microcontroller and the status will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD. Coming to this sensors board interfacing to A0, A1, A2 pins of the microcontroller and the LCD interface at B2 to B7, and we are going to monitor the parameters through wireless RF into the laptop. So we are connected this is a transmitting and the receiving connected to the laptop through USB to digital converter, as we have explained how to install this driver in other video. So please follow the video before installing and connecting this to the PC or laptop. So coming to this motherboard PIC microcontroller. So this is the on off switch. Directly we are giving the 5 volts power supply from this regulated power supply board. So this is a transformer which can convert the 230 volts to 12 volts AC, and the 12 volts AC given to the RPS, and in the RPS we have the rectifier. After the rectifier we will get the 12 volts pulsating DC, and the pulsating DC will be converted into the pure DC by using this capacitor, and after this regulator 7805 we will get the 5 volts power supply and it is given to the microcontroller, and parallelly before that the 12 volts will be given to the load of DC load through the relay. And based on the signal and based on the conditions from this sensor, if it is the normal conditions, the relay will be on and the load will be switched on. And is there an abnormal condition? That is nothing but there is a 4 abnormal conditions: low voltage, high current, high temperature. In these abnormal conditions, the microcontroller will intimate on the LCD along with RF. It will also isolate the relay circuits. Then the relay will going to switch off this load from this transformer power supply. So let us see the demonstration. So before switching on this kit, we need to connect the RF to the laptop and open the hyper terminal. So enter any number here and select the COM number. So we will get this COM number from the device manager and select that. Restore default, these three, any number, COM number and restore default, then OK, and then only switch on this kit. So here we will get the start once the kit gets switched on. So you can see that start and the voltage, current and the temperature will be received on this PC, and also here we'll get the monitoring purpose. So now I'm going to changing the voltage. So you can see that. So when it is below 8 volts, automatically So when it is below 8 volts, the load got switched off, and also in the PC you will get the alerts low voltage, and here also same will be displayed on the LCD. Whenever the voltage is coming to the normal, so relay gets switched on and the load also will be on. And now I'm increasing the voltage. When it is above the 14 volts, it will be off again. And coming to this is the voltage, and coming to the current we have only high currents. So it will be the high current, it will be off, and same will be displayed on the PC. We can see the high current and high voltage. And coming to this temperature, so you can see the temperature getting increased. When it is above 50 degrees, then same of isolation from the supply and the displayed on the LCD screen and the PC screen. Whenever the temperature is coming down to normal, automatically we are going to switching on this relay. Thank you.